here today. Thank you very much once again. On behalf of our company, Jolly Board, we are very happy to sponsor this event and help known and unknown artists. We have tried to provide effort to help the artists in selling their works. And believe you me, they are really reasonably priced, which is not just a bait, it's true. It's honestly true. Today's article in the Midday covered that part of it, and I think I'm going to have the wrath of all the art galleries in Mumbai on me, because the journalist has written 33% commission goes to the art gallery, and in the past 10 months there have been
How does it feel to finally see Mumbai open its hearts to art again?
It's fabulous that we have this amazing exhibition. We are supporting so many artists here. So congratulations to Art Adda, to Gautam Patoli ji and to Rashmi Jolly ji for organizing this. And there's some beautiful artwork here. I would encourage and urge everyone to come here. It's some lovely artwork. It's at affordable prices, and all the artists are here. They're even ready to do. There's some live painting going on here, so everyone is ready to do something. Even if you want a painting commission for yourself, you can get that done here. So I think it's fabulous, and I'm very, very happy to be here.
Did you try any of the live portraits? There is also a handicapped
I
artist.
saw, yes, I just met him, and he's doing some fabulous work. The live portrait, unfortunately I couldn't sit for it, but I saw a beautiful girl getting her live portrait done, and I think it was a lot of fun, and somebody who's doing it really well. So if anyone wants to try that, I think it would be a great idea.
Gautam, your thoughts
I
on bringing this together?
He's very soft, very humble, and he doesn't want to speak much.
Yeah.
But I think.
But how did you put this together? Lockdown ke baad, how did you put this thing together?
No, it was her idea to have something to do here with a beautiful landscape.
Yes.
And I always had in mind to help artists, to bring them out so that they can have an opportunity to work here, and then they can paint here, nicely. And if they can sell something like that, to do that. That's the idea. Now we are done it. Now we are starting it. It will be a regular thing. Yeah.
And you plan to do it every year? How?
No. It will be regular. All the events will be there slowly. Every week there will be something different.
Okay, so
some different artists.
We have an art adda at Kanjur Market.
Yes, art adda and consumer and food adda and like this, all adda.
Yeah.
And when I say chalo adde pe.
Yeah, I mean Art Adda.
Art adda chalo adde pe.
Anything else you'd like to add, Preeti?
No, congratulations, Gautam, and thank you for organizing this.
Come, you 10 minutes, somebody will sketch you live. 10 minutes, 15 minutes. There are guys.
Again, after eons, I guess.
It feels amazing because during COVID times, of course, everything was shut, and it takes a lot of courage to get together and just come back with a force. And during COVID times, I realized the importance of art and importance of staying indoor. So now that people like to redecorate their house and like to do all these things for their house and little things here and there, I'm sure they're going to realize art even more.
So, since you bring up lockdown and everything, is is there any sort of art or arty pursuit that you picked up?
So during lockdown, I did something. I'm not a very arty person, but I really appreciate art. So during lockdown, I was really bored of my white walls. So I just took up some paint and stamped it with my 5 fingers, and it looked like an art piece. It looked really nice. At least for me, it was a beginning of being artistic. So yeah, it was a great start.
Coming back to the show, we hear there are live portraits happening here.
Yeah.
And there is somebody who's also handicapped and who's done a beautiful job.
Yes.
So, did you also sit for it?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm looking forward to, because when you get such beautiful things, then you should actually try out, because it's a great opportunity, and it's a great thing that people find relief in art. Like they try to vent out their feelings and everything through art, and they try to show their emotions through art, and you try to learn so many new things. Like through so many artists, they were telling me the stories behind their art, and they were talking about peaceful thoughts and salvation and all these things, which actually made me realize importance of meditation. Like how important it is to center yourself and find your core, and just be true to yourself rather than these earthly and materialistic things.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Would you like to tell us what are you wearing and
I'm just wearing a anarkali dress because, of course, during COVID times you don't get to go out that often. So I just thought, why not just wear this, because it's such a great occasion. There's so many artists coming together, and after such a long time. So yeah.
anything else you'd like to add?
That's it. I'm really excited. It's just like a small little child in a candy shop. I'm just trying to figure out what is where, and I'm just very excited.
Did you pick up a best? Did you pick a best?
Yes, there's this amazing, beautiful Sleeping Beauty painting that I really liked, and I picked it up. It's so beautiful. You should actually have a look. And I feel that that's going to give me more peaceful sleep during the night, looking at the painting, because her face is so peaceful.
Being an art collector since 1973, I kept getting phone calls during this pandemic, the past 9-10 months. Every couple of days there would be some artist who had found my number and said, please take my painting, I have no money. Please take my painting, I have no money. So I said, look, how much can an individual buy? I already have literally no space anywhere. Only the ceilings are empty. So kept thinking, what should I do? And that's how the idea evolved, that why not put a whole group of such artists together and give them a platform where they can paint and hopefully sell. And we provide them with the infrastructure, give them the paints, the canvases, because if they have no money for food, they have no money for canvas either. So that's how we put it together, and I called up Gautam because I've known Gautam for many, many years, but somehow never did anything together, but we always gelled with each other very well. And I said, should we do this? He says, okay, I'm coming to Kanjur Marg to see the place. And when he saw it, he fell in love with the whole area. And he said, it's a great ambiance. Okay, I'll do it.
The place vibe is different.
Yes.
So you are sort of a pioneer right now, because I could call you that because you're the one bringing art back to Bombay after a while.
Yes.
It's a 9-month hiatus.
Yes.
So how does that feel?
I'm very humbled with the words you have used. I just always have been doing my best. I've held honorary positions in life and just always put my passion and sincerity and integrity into whatever I did. I never considered myself a pioneer or a path breaker or, something like that. Yeah.
And how often do you plan to do this now that it's begun?
Well, let's see how it proceeds, because if it proceeds well and the artists are happy and they are able to earn a decent living, then perhaps we can continue for the full year. Why not?
We look forward to it. Anything else you'd like to add?
Thank you. Thank you for your support. You know, it's always teamwork in the end. Everyone has joined in, and of course, without his blessings, nothing happens.
Thank you.